Hi everyone, I'm Amber. Do you also want to make money online by creating content? But then you think about showing your face, buying expensive gear, or learning complicated editing, and just give up? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you two of the most popular make money online methods. And the best part is, you can do all of this using Jog AI. It's simple, efficient, and you don't even need to show your face to start building an online income stream. Affiliate marketing means you promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. So, what exactly can you promote? Here are some popular options. Amazon Associates. Amazon's affiliate program, perfect for beginners. You can recommend products like headphones, keyboards, or home gadgets. Every time someone buys through your link, you get a percentage. Your videos could be unboxings, reviews, or product comparisons. It's the kind of scent that makes people ask, "What are you wearing?" SaaS software affiliates. It usually get higher payouts. For example, Grammarly affiliate and Shopify affiliate. You can earn commission when you refer new merchants to select Shopify plans. Many of these programs pay 15 to 40% commission, and some even offer recurring commission, meaning you keep earning as long as the user stays subscribed. That's real passive income. Courses and digital knowledge products. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare let you promote trending courses in AI, coding, or design. Commissions per sale can be quite profitable. If you want more options, check affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, Impact, or CJ Affiliate. They have thousands of products across niches like health, finance, and personal growth. You just pick what fits your audience. But here's the challenge. How do you actually make the promo videos? That's where Jog AI saves you tons of time. If it's a physical product, you can use the URL to video feature. Just paste the product link, and AI will auto-generate a high-quality promo video.
Playtime. Music all day, no battery worries.
Or head over to the AI ad maker section in Jog AI, where you can easily create UGC-style product videos. Sleek design, ultra-fast performance, and a camera that captures every moment in stunning detail. Or polished professional ads like this. If it's a SaaS tool or course, you can use AI avatars to create a virtual presenter that explains the features and use cases. Introducing Jog AI, your personal AI avatar creator. Even better, Jog AI's latest Avatar X model adds realistic emotions and much better lip sync, so your AI avatar looks more natural and human-like. This means you don't need to film yourself, and you can still produce multiple videos every day for YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Combine consistent traffic with high-converting affiliate products, and you've got yourself a stable, passive income stream. This is a secret weapon used by bloggers, freelancers, and even big brands. The idea is simple. Use one piece of content and turn into multiple formats, and then turn into multiple income streams. Here are a few ways you can repurpose content with Jog AI. Take a blog post. For example, top 10 money tips. With Jog AI's AI writer, you can instantly turn it into a script for a talking avatar. Next, generate a full talking avatar video with an AI presenter.
Here are the top 10 financial management skills you need to master for a secure and prosperous future.
Finally, repurpose that video into multiple short clips for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. One single blog post now becomes 3 powerful types of content. Got an audio podcast? Use Jog AI's video podcast feature to instantly turn it into a video version, giving your content a whole new way to shine. Your audio podcast now becomes one of today's hottest content formats. Found a valuable video online? Use Jog AI's video to text to instantly create a transcript and summary. Then add your own thoughts, insights, or even practical tips, and turn it into a fresh talking avatar video. Welcome to our quick guide to mastering skiing skills. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your technique, these tips will help you glide with confidence. This way, you're not just repeating the original content, but building on it and spreading even more value. If you've hosted a live stream or an online course, don't let it fade away after the event. With Jog AI's video to text, you can summarize the entire session into clear, editable text.
Einstein's groundbreaking idea changed how we see space and time.
Then, pick out the key insights or highlights and transform them into bite-sized talking avatar videos. Each short video delivers focused value, and every clip can bring in new traffic. In other words, content repurposing is low-cost growth. You don't start from scratch every time, you just use Jog AI to transform, split, and amplify your existing content. Reaching more platforms and audiences boosts your efficiency, giving you way more exposure and revenue without extra work. Of course, there are many more ways to make money online, faceless YouTube channels, becoming an AI influencer, and more. If you'd like me to break those down in future videos, let me know in the comments. And if you don't want editing, filming, or expensive gear to hold you back, just try Jog AI and let AI become your creative partner. Click the link in the description and start your own Make Money online journey today with Jog AI. I'm Amber. Drop your ideas in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.